The Electronic Regulatory Authority in Uganda plans to increase the number of qualified electricians in the country through the first issuance of an installation permit. The authority says the shortage of qualified electricians is posing a major challenge to the country's energy sector. The move is further aimed at reducing the power lost to illegal connections and power theft. Here now are the details of the story and much more.
Uganda's Electricity Regulatory Authority is lining up a number of academic and electricity user institutions to partner with to instill the culture of efficient use of energy to reduce power losses. The regulatory body wants to increase the number of certified electricians with hopes to accelerate access to electricity and reduce power loss to illegal connections and power theft. ERA has also partnered with Uganda's Business Technical Education Board for students to participate in training and assessment to give them the required experience. ERA has signed another memorandum of understanding with the Uganda National Chamber of Commerce and Industry to ensure that manufacturers adhere to the requisite production standards, among which include efficient use of energy, especially electricity. Meanwhile, South Africa's ad hoc joint committee on flood disaster relief and recovery says KwaZulu-Natal's post-flood infrastructural rebuild will cost more than $1.6 billion. For the second time in 2 months, the KwaZulu-Natal province was hit by destructive floods that destroyed roads, bridges, buildings and other infrastructure. The first occurrence came in April as the country was pounded by heavy rains. More than 440 people were killed in KwaZulu-Natal and infrastructure was destroyed after resultant floods gashed the province. Finally, the European Union will spend €5 million on providing life-saving food assistance to 1.6 million people in Burkina Faso. The funds will assist people who are unable to meet their basic food needs due to the conflict, the impact of climate change and socio-economic fallout caused by COVID-19. The agency noted that the contribution allows critical assistance to the affected people in the country beleaguered by a conflict that forced many people to flee their homes. The World Food Programme noted that 2.4 million people are currently in need of a form of assistance in Burkina Faso.